Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this look right here, okay? Including this ponytail and this simple and easy makeup. So, if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching. So I'm jumping right in with my rough fro and bare morning face. So first off, we're going to part our hair. You can do whatever part you like. This is just the part that I chose for today. Next, I'm going to jump right in with my spray bottle just to damp my hair and to make this smoothing process easier. Then I'm using my water-based natural formula hair cream to keep my hair moist all day long. You can use your preferred hair cream or lightweight leave-in conditioner. And with this being a protective style, I believe that moisture is very, very important for your hair, especially in the summer. Now that our hair is moist, we're going to begin to smooth out the ponytail using a hairbrush. And because my hair is a bit short, to make it easier, I'm going to tie it into two sections, starting with my right side to get it as sleek as possible. And I follow the same exact steps on my left side. And once we're done, we're going to go ahead and combine it to one ponytail and position it where we want it. So now that my ponytail is positioned, I'm jumping in using this Eco Style gel, and I'm going to put the link to this gel in the description box down below. I'm applying the gel to my hair using my fingers, followed by brushing, and we're going to untie and tie it back and forth until we get it as sleek as possible. Or as sleek as we want it, if that makes any sense. So now that everything is in place, I'm going to retie my ponytail for the last time, and I'm going to make sure that everything is how it's supposed to be. I am going to go back in with a little bit more gel just to make sure, those flyaways and everything is just in place. So now that our ponytail is in place, I'm going to go ahead with my Nairobi foaming lotion before tying down my ponytail, and I'm going to spread it on my hair gently. Pretty much in the direction of the ponytail using my hands. I have to tell you guys, I really love using this product. It keeps my hair in place, and it makes styling my edges a freaking breeze. Like, they don't get no better than that. For those of you who did see my top knot bun tutorial, I did mention that I don't have a specific way of doing my baby hairs. I just kind of go with the flow and try to repeat the same thing on the other side. And for those of you who haven't seen my top knot bun tutorial or any of my other videos, go check them out. Show your girl some love. Now that the ponytail is complete, I'm going to go ahead and tie it down, and I'm going to be using these styling strips, but of course you can use a head wrap or whatever is comfortable for you. For this hairstyle, I'll be using one bundle of my pre-used straight Brazilian hair extensions that I got from a hair shop in Angola, but that's a whole nother story. So I'm pretty much taking one side of the weft, and I'm going to begin to wrap the ponytail, securing the beginning using a small section of the hair, and I'm going to wrap it separately, then really easy and continuously wrapping the rest of the track around the bun. But guys, just keep in mind that the tighter you wrap the bun, the more likely you'll need pain relievers. And this is from my personal experience, and I don't think we want that. So I'm at the end of the track, as you can see, and I'm taking the small section and wrapping it around my ponytail as I did at the beginning of the track, just to secure it. And I'm going to use this brush to comb through the hairs. So now I'm taking my second track, and I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did with the first track. So now that I'm done with the second track, the ponytail is officially complete, guys. And now we're gonna jump right into the makeup. I did do my brows off camera. If you want to see how I did them, you can click the link down below. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with some organic coconut oil. So next I'm going in with my MAC Cosmetics concealer. And no guys, I will not be using any foundation this time around. So I'm going to go ahead and put the concealer under my eyes and blend that in thoroughly. So next I'm going to use that same concealer to contour my face, starting by doing my cheeks, my cheekbones, blending that in thoroughly. And then I'm going to highlight my nose, blend that in thoroughly using my finger, and then take the beauty blender and kind of blend a little bit in on my forehead as well, the little section that I want to be highlighted, of course. Next I'm going to go in with my Italia Deluxe 2-in-1 highlighter stick, and I'm going to go over the same sections that I highlighted before. And I am going for a highlighted glowy summer look, so I am going to go back in with this. It is a shade lighter, and it also has like sparkles in it. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead with my beauty blender again and just blend it all in. And you guys see, I almost forgot the bridge of my nose. So we just do that and blend that right in. So next I'm going to take this darker shade concealer and go into the sections of my face that I didn't highlight, and I do want to add that shade effect. So I'm going to start with my cheeks and then work my way to all the other areas that I do want to add the shade effect and properly, contour my face. Powder in shade C6, and I'm going to use it in the same areas where I used the darker concealer, just to get a more bronzed and summer look, and also set and blend in all the places that I didn't highlight. So next I'm going to use this banana powder to set all the places that I did highlight. So I'm going to be using this Muse 4-color shadow palette, and I'm going to go in with the bronzy color, the brownish color, go over the top of my eyes, just to add a little bit of the bronze effect over my eyes. Nothing too major, just very, very simple, and I'm just going to blend that in very well. So I went ahead and did my mascara off camera. If you'd like to see how I did it, please thumbs up this video. And I'm going to go ahead and brush off all the excess banana powder and just blend it in. back in with my L'Oreal Paris bronzer, and I'm going to go over those same sections and just blend in any harsh line. Go over my full face and just make sure everything is blended well. Next, I'm going to go in with my blush and shade Raisin from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right above my jawbone and below my cheekbones. My makeup is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and take the strips off my hair. Feeling myself, feeling myself. So I am going to just touch up and go over my baby hairs, make sure everything is in place. So before I go in with my lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Essence Brown Lip Liner, and I'm just going to line the outskirts of my lips. It's just something that I like to do before I put on lipstick. I don't know why, but I do it all the time. So now I'm going right in with my MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo lipstick. You know, that red is popping. And because I'm wearing black today, I went ahead and did me, you know, some popping red lips. So I am feeling this look, and we have one more thing and we are done. For the final touch, I'm going to go in with my Sacara Baked Shimmer, highlighting all of the spots where I want y'all to be able to catch that glow. So this is officially the final look, and as you can see, I am feeling myself. So that is everything I did to achieve this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show y'all girl some love.